A very big hello to all my wonderful second PUC champions. My dear children, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. Yes, do not be worried, okay? Do not be worried. Everything is going to go all right. Your exams are going to be good. Most of the times, things are there just in our head, making things go worse. Everything is fine. Yeah, just believe that and go ahead and give your examination. I'm here to talk about the bell timings for second PUC boards, which you must know. So tomorrow, if at all you are writing an examination, I do not know when is this video going to be published, but if at all you are writing the Kannada examination, please be sure that you know the timings, as in when it is going to start, what is the exact timing that you have for each and everything inside the examination hall. Yeah, so let's begin with the first thing that is out there. That will be the first bell at 9:40 a.m. At 9:40 a.m. The purpose of this is that it just indicates that you have to enter into the examination hall. So entry of candidates would be done into the examination hall at 9:40. Verification of the student ID cards as well as the hall ticket would be done. So your hall ticket, that is your admit card. Apart from that, your ID cards are going to be verified during this particular period and you will be allowed to get inside. Remember, the first bell is at 9:40. So that means you have to be there before 9:40 itself. So everyone who feels that I stay away from the examination center, make sure you realize how much time you actually have. Do not think that if I have 30 minutes, I'll just reach in 30 minutes. No. Be prepared for the worst out there. Okay, there can be anything that could happen. So please leave your home a bit early such that you can go and relax yourself up there. Yes, so that is the first thing that I want you guys to know. The second thing, there will be second bell at 10 a.m. After 20 minutes, there will be second bell. This bell is for the purpose for distribution of the question papers to the candidates. This is for the teachers to understand that they have to distribute you guys the question paper. Now what you guys have to do is that you must write only the register number on the question paper. These rules will be told to you in the examination halls as well. I'm just telling you such that you have this in your head. So what you have to do is that you would have to fill in your register, or basically just have to write in the registration number or the register number on your question paper. Okay, that's the only thing. Nothing else have to be done by you guys. That is at 10 a.m. Now, a third bell will be coming at 10:10 a.m. after 10 minutes. So, candidates are allowed to read the question paper. Now, you would be allowed to read the question paper by this particular point of time, and distribution of the main answer sheet would also be done by this particular time. You are not allowed to write the paper as of now. You will be just distributed with the answer sheets, and also you are allowed to read the questions as well. Cool. Now what? Fourth bell, 10:15 a.m. At 10:15 a.m. you get the fourth bell. It means that basically you can start writing your answer. Please make sure the students must write their register number on all the pages of the answer sheet. Why is this important? Suppose any one of the page got torn off, it got separated. Still there are chances for you to get the marks. Why? Because the register number will be there in the paper, and with that basically your marks will be added up. You got it? So there is no chance of your answer sheet to be get lost. So that is why you need to write register number in each and every answer sheet, page of the answer sheet out there. Got it? Yes. Now there will be fifth bell at 10:30 a.m. Now this bell is super important. Why? It's indicated that none of you who are coming late will be allowed to enter into the examination hall. So it is like the end of the first 30 minutes and no student will be allowed to enter post this. I hope this is clear. It is a rule given to the teachers, and teachers are asked not to allow anyone to enter. So if at all they are not allowing you, it's not because they want to do that. It's because that has been the rule. That has to be the rule that has to be followed. So make sure you do not do that. Okay, otherwise it's you only who will be in a very tenseful situation, and that can be prevented easily, right? Yes, it can be prevented. So try your maximum. Listen, if at all something has to happen, it will happen. That is a whole separate thing. But if something is there in your control, make sure you do it properly. Yeah? Yes. Then after that, my dear children, you get the sixth bell. This sixth bell will be at 12:30. Your paper is going to end at 1 p.m. right? Your paper is going to end at 1 p.m. So at 12:30 you will get a bell indicating that last 30 minutes are left for your paper to end. So that's the indicator bell which is there. Now there will be a 7th bell, and that is at 12:50, where there is only 10 minutes left for your exam to end. So last 10 minutes warning bell is that. So you need to understand that, okay, I have to finish up everything. If at all I want to do the checking, I would have to do it at this particular point of time. Always remember, whenever you go into the examination hall, have this in your head that at least 10 to 15 minutes of buffer I should have to check if at all I have written something wrong, I have left something. Please check for the question number. Sometimes we mess around the question number and things like that. Recheck every single thing out there. Do not do any silly mistake. So that is the best way to put it up, right? So most of us do silly mistake, and it's not just you. I have also done it. When I was a student, I also done it. Everyone does it, but it is something that can be prevented, especially when it's a major examination that you are giving, right? So please have that in your head. And now the last bell, the 8th bell at 1 p.m, it shows that end of examination has done, and new teachers would be allowed to collect the answer sheets out there. So I hope this is clear. So at what time you have to reach earlier, as much early as possible. At 9:40 you would be asked to enter the examination hall. Okay, beyond 10:30 no one will be allowed to enter the examination hall, and if you come that late, obviously you're missing on a lot of time on basically read the question paper and do things like that. So do not do that. Yeah, so my dear children, I'm telling you again, there is no need to worry. Okay, be chill, be cool, you will be able to do it. Just that, be strict about the timings that is there, and prepare yourself one day before. Whatever you have to keep inside your bag, keep it. For example, your admit card, your ID card, these are things that you should not be missing in. A transparent water bottle, a transparent pouch which is there. Have all of these things inside your bag such that it will be easy for you. Yeah, and close the water bottle very nicely such that it does not fall on your admit card. Yeah. So yes, this is what I had to tell you, and if at all you think that this video had helped you in some ways, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And everyone who is preparing for KCE30, my dear children, we have launched the batch, KCE30 batch. It has complete syllabus coverage of PU1 and PU2. There will be KCET previous year questions in a solution format, as in a video format, also in a test format that you can attempt at any point of time. There will be 10 full-length mock tests as well. The pricing for that is ₹2499. It will be changing after 26th. Okay, until 25th it was there, but 24 hours it got extended. It is there until 26th. So make sure you enroll. The start date for this particular program is 21st of March. Okay, after your boards. So yes, you just have to enroll. You don't need to study it as of now. Wishing you all the best. Please take care of yourself, and if you have any doubts, please feel very free to ask us in the comment section. Bye bye. Take care.